Okay, so here we are over the layout, and we're going to be putting her on the outer loop today. Well, most of my models I put on the outer loop when running, but sometimes I do put them on the inner loop, but yeah, on the outer loop. So let's just get all of her wheels on. There's quite a lot of wheels to get on, but there we are. Just get her in shot. There we go. Now obviously she is DC sound, so let's select her number. But the first thing, let's just put her lights on. There we are, that's her tail lights. Just give her a little bit of a wiggle. There we are, and the other way. Brilliant. Let's just bring her back a little bit. She was a little bit grindy at the start there, but as I did mention, she hasn't really ran in a long time. So she is going to need a little bit of a run. So we'll just give her a bit of a run as she is, without the sounds on, to get her warmed up and everything, and then we'll put the sounds on. You probably can hear that a lot of the gears and everything do sound like they're rattling a little bit, or they sound a little bit grindy. So she might need a little bit of oil or something. But yeah, I'm really, like I've said before, and I've probably said it enough times now, but she hasn't ran in a long time. So she just needs a little bit of a run, get any oil that she does have on the gears lubricated around, get her warmed up, get her all loosened up and everything. And then we can get her pulling a train, put the sounds on and everything, see what she's really like. Okay, hello everybody and welcome back to the video. It's been quite a while since you last saw the loco running. I've given her good service. She's had some oil applied. Well, I only applied the oil to one of the bogies. I'll probably do the other one later, but it is quite difficult to service this particular model. But she's had some oil applied. She's had a good run around the layout and everything. She definitely seems to be running a lot better now. So the next thing to do is fire up the sounds, the speakers at this end by the way, and yeah, get it running. So let's fire up the engine sounds because you have to have the engine sounds on this particular model running to hear the other sounds like the horns and everything. So let's fire them up and see what they're like. There we are, that's the engine startup, and this, obviously this is the idling. I think the idling could be a little bit better, but it's not too bad. So let's play one of the horns. And another horn. That's a really good one, I definitely like that. Number 4. I think that's air release from the system. Number 5 and 6 is notch up and notch down. But I'm not going to do them because they do take quite a while to turn on and turn off and everything. So I'll leave those for now. Let's see what number 8 is. No, number 7. No, number 9. Yeah, that's flange squeal. I hope you can hear that. Number 10. I'm not particularly sure what that one is. It sounds like some other kind of air release. It might be compressor or something, I don't know. Number 11. No, there's nothing assigned to number 11. Okay, activating number 12 seems to turn the engine sound off. I don't know why, but I think that's all the functions. There isn't many functions on this particular model, but if you get one of the latest Bachmann 66s with sound, the sound file is ever so slightly different. I think there's more sound functions on it as well. So it obviously is a bit more expensive though, I reckon. But this one isn't too bad, definitely. I think the next thing to do is get a running around the layout. beautiful. It's really, really smooth operation, that is. Anyway, okay, let's bring her to a stop. There we are. And I think the next thing to do is to couple some wagons to her. So I'll do that quickly and then I'll be back shortly. Okay, here we are, and I've coupled some wagons to the loco. I don't have many completely suitable wagons for this loco, so we've got quite a short train today, but I think it will definitely do. So we've got 5 of these blue MEA wagons. They're all by Bachmann and they're all weathered as well. They're really, really nice. At the back of the train we've got a single MFA wagon, also by Bachmann. The ballast load doesn't come with it. I fitted the ballast load myself, but I think it looks okay. And this should be hopefully a good enough train for the video. The loco definitely won't struggle with it. This particular loco is very, very strong. So let's get it going. Overall, just an absolutely fantastic model. You just need to have a classic by Bachmann. They're absolutely fantastic.